episodes. That's insanely more than anything else we've done.
Yeah.
I actually can't remember the last game we played more than one episode of, actually. I don't think we have. And to get 5 out of Limbo, that's just impressive.
Yeah, definitely.
Is that a laser? That looks like a laser.
Oh shit. Oh! What?
Are you fudging me?
They're putting guns into this.
What did I...
See, I told you should have shot spiders with a gun. I was asking for a gun, and what have they done? They put it in here. Ah, but now how do we...
Oh, there goes
How do we
that.
fuck the other one up though? First one we can mess with, but maybe it has a reload time or something. Oh, is it going to shoot the other? I'm kind of hoping that worked.
Yeah, it looks like it's smoking, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it that time.
I think it just keeps going, right?
Yeah, I think it's probably dead now.
No, it's still got the laser, so I'm a bit
There we go.
roasted.
There
Yeah,
we go. And then the other one we can just walk past.
yeah, pretty much. No problemo. Easy peasy. Guns? Guns ain't nothing when you got boy legs.
And you've got brains.
When you got boy legs.
He's got stick legs, but
Yeah.
look at his arms compared to his legs.
Stick
Like
tits.
he's got some yeah, he's got thick
Oh,
arms, and then his legs gone skinny guinea.
Skinny guinea. Okay, well.
Anti-gravity just kicked in. Okay, I guess it's just metal objects, I guess.
Oh shit. Maybe. I think I get it.
Times something, but where'd you go with this? What does this take you up somewhere, or?
I would guess.
Because I'm hoping that doesn't crush
I hope not.
you. Ah. There we go.
Yeah.
This is cool.
I'm Mr. Puzzle Man. So, that's another puzzle solved. You can't see that, but I just did the
I know. So far we've been through a few different environments. We've been through a foresty area with with a massive spider.
Yeah.
We've just been through a city, and then what are we in now? Some sort of
It's
industrial
factory, yeah.
thing. And they brought in guns into a game that seemed very unlikely to have that sort of ideal to it.
So, I need to get a box up here, but I don't know how to do that.
Is there another magnet anywhere?
The thing that seems to...
Because you got a ladder, you can jump.
Shit.
Well, that'll slide down.
There's like a wheel in the background that I think changes as well. Look.
Yeah, it goes up as a... Except it's stuck to a chord. To a G chord. Or a G string.
I don't know how
it's
to...
stuck to a G string.
Full.
No, I just thought I'd put my musical knowledge into a sexual innuendo.
I feel like dying. I'm not going to though. Gotcha.
You can reach that ladder, can't you?
Well, I just hold... Yeah, I mean... Actually, maybe this is the problem is ways than I like gave it credit for.
You can hear that, just go dong.
It didn't... There is no,
So what, we need to get... Yeah, we need to get a box up here so we can go onto that next level where that thing just shut down after the magnet turned off.
You see? Gotta use this again. Because it gives us time. It gives us time. We want to see some next level science shit. Hit it, science man! Boom.
Oh my word.
Boom. Oh shit.
Oh. We gotta go for a second one of those? Or can he...
I think this is fine. I think we can do this. Oh, I mean, yeah, we've got to do this again. Hit it, science man.
I'm actually pretty like into this game. I know I'm not playing, but
watching like
I'm still pretty focused on this.
Yeah. Well, it's like we're both playing through it, you know. We're both coming up with solutions and stuff.
Yeah, it's good. No, so we didn't even need an extra box. We just needed Magic Man.
Well, no, we needed both of them because we needed one to go on the thing, and then yeah.
Yeah. Oh, an elevator. That's fun. And it has grass on the elevator. Small dead grass. That's another box that we can break off.
Yeah, somehow.
Machine Gun Joe.
Dick.
Machine Gun Joe got us again.
Yeah, damn.
Jimmy, why?
Why, Jimmy, why? Why, Black Dynamite, why?
And
Oh,
then
that gun's gonna go off and
I
shoot
think-
the laser. There's a laser up there as well. So it's gonna shoot the thing down. Oh, I should have jumped before it.
Can't. I thought maybe that box. Can we use?
No, you see there's
there's a laser across. It's just
Yeah.
very faint. I didn't see.
Yeah, I know. I barely saw it. I assume this can't go up. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna have to do is somehow trigger that. I think by going up the ladder. But first, go. Or maybe this pulls the thing. Oof.
What? Why are we magnetic?
I'm feeling pretty okay about this.
Anti-gravity. Oh, looks like we're going into a foresty area again. That's interesting.
We can't go any further.
Or something. I don't know.
Maybe I have to walk across the
That's
sea.
weird.
Go down the sea.
Okay.
I
Can-
can't.
Maybe there's probably like, well, a box. Well, the box is the generic tool that we use now for most things. Are we supposed to be on there? Because there's that thing that slid out. Couldn't we just like turn the gravity off, go back on there?
Yeah.
Can we jump on that?
No.
No.
We need bots.
Maybe we need to fuck with the machine gun,
Maybe.
like the other one next to the box. That's
How
close.
do that? Oh, I get it, maybe. Yeah, I think I get it. Shit.
Yeah. I get it.
Boom, roasted. And now what do we do with the box?
I think once we activate anti-gravity, would that bring it up?
Maybe. Shot out here.
And then we can just pick it up on the way round.
Yeah, probably.
Yep, there we go. I'm still curious how anti-gravity works in this game.
Yeah, I know, right?
That kind of reminds me. Oh,
Huh. How do we...
that's sneaky. What do we?
Well,
We can put the first one on there. But
there's another one we missed.
I didn't see any others because there was the one with the machine gun. And we came back here. Yeah. Do you reckon we should go back to that bottom floor and... Because I don't think there's anything up here unless it's on the other side of this thing. Unless it's asking us to go way further back and dragging some box from somewhere unknown. Right, at the moment I'm seeing extreme confusion in Jamie's face right now. It's just... like, imagine a poo face, and then... yeah.
Why are you such a little shit?
Me?
No, fucking this guy. We just call him fucking this guy from now on. Maybe we needed to use that box for something.
Maybe we didn't deserve the neck. What?
Because these voters going with fucking machine guns.
Okay. That makes it a little bit more dangerous. Can we jump on the other... I bet it's on the other side of the machine gun, isn't it?
How the hell are we gonna get up there though?
Play with the switch, jump on there, and then as it's about to fire, we have to like literally jump that side of it. Or not.
Use a dick.
Well, I'm trying to think.
I know, it's fine. I think I know what you've got to do. You were kind of right, but I think you have to put the box up on there first. So...
then how? But wouldn't it just shoot through the box?
No.
Is it a metal box? A metal box, or?
I don't know. Probably. Well, I mean, they're metallic, right? I guess.
Let's just hope.
Yeah. Well, I mean.
Because the whole plan's sort
yeah. Well, it's not gonna like just say mission over, is it?
Yeah. There we go.
We did it.
Did it?
You farted again, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Smells
I
like
didn't think
eggs.
so. And then I guess the anti-gravity. We just walk around again.
I'm really counting on that pretty much.
This is gonna be a long puzzle. Death.
I was gonna say if that killed me, I would have been so mad. I guess we anti-grav.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, that was
Guts
pretty,
came out that time.
That was pretty nasty. That's the first time we've seen that.
Well, yeah. I mean, this game's been pretty PG up to that point. I mean, the spider's like put his leg through the spine, but
fucking dude, there are people hanging themselves.
Oh,
man.
well, okay, yeah, maybe not.
Jeez. It's PG.
I
don't all know what you show your kids.
I didn't have kids.
You have nephews.
Yeah, but I don't ever let them play video games with me. Ever.
Hey guys, Michelle's playing Dungeon Defenders. Michelle. Mickle. Oh my god, how do I do things? Oh!
We need a second box, don't we?
No. Anti-grav, that'll fall on there. We hope. We hope.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm confused up to this point.
Oh well.
We just have to take it as it comes. No sexual
You're always sexual.
euphemism involved. Like, yeah, I mean it's kind of hard not to in this day and age.
Because I'm so sexy.
Didn't you say one of your friends had?
Oh, what, Mr. Boner Man?
Yeah, he liked to spend his time.
What, masturbating?
Yep.
Please subscribe to this channel. Don't say who I said it was.
I can't even remember.
Yeah, I know. Don't even say what I described him.
We're just gonna say it's that guy.
They're gonna know who they are. Motherfucker.
He's gonna enjoy it.
Yeah.
If he has a YouTube channel, we can have a subscriber spotlight for him sometime.
He has a YouTube channel, but I don't think there's any videos on it. I hope not. I don't want to hear him talk about
No, we
shit.
don't want to see the stuff he does.
Yeah. Oh shit!
Oh.
Whoops!
Oh my word.
How?
No more guts. No guts, no glory.
Oh.
It bounces. Oh wait.
Oh, I get
It's
it.
just gonna be a game, like that's pretty cool. That's kawaii. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
So can you hit me?
anti-grab with that one, like slip it straight off, and they'll both go up there.
Boom! Shakalaka.
My word.
See, once you get the hang of it, the
Problems
Are
come
problems.
easily. I mean, are solved.
much like me.
I wasn't even meant to say come easily. Just much like Jamie's friend.
Yeah. Missed the last 5 minutes. Hey man, that's of his own admission.
If anyone's seen 8 Mile with Eminem in it,
What did he do?
they call him Rabbit because he fucks quickly. He like literally in the film he does this girl in like 1 minute 30 seconds flat in his workplace,
What a hero.
and I think he just like makes car doors for a living.
What Eminem?
Yeah, some sort of metal plates or whatever. But yeah, I wonder if that's what he actually did before he became, quote, one of his songs, a rap god.
I fucked up.
I bet.
He is pretty much like the best rapper though, just saying. In my opinion.
Yeah, well, he's the best. Yeah, of course he is. Like, there are a lot of other people that would probably rival him, but I mean, it's a very predominant genre in the 21st century.
You were looking. I don't know if predominant is a word. I think it might.
Predominant is something
Is
that's
it?
very in the now.
So very dominant, I guess. But I think the word you're thinking of is prominent.
Prominent.
Yeah, I know. I say predominant all the time, but I don't know if that is a word.
I think it's on my lack of sleep, and well, I woke up early this morning and did too many hours at Sainsbury's. Well, it's not too many hours, but.
What was I thinking?
And
when
I've
you
had
do all
booze.
this?
There's booze in my system. I'm going to put it down to that. Rum is so good, but the brains is so bad.
Shit.
What, is it just going
up.
together? Can't
I fucked
you
up.
just put one there and one there?
Yeah, I know. I was trying to be smart.
Oh, but it comes off anyway, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know, but
It's all about timing.
yeah. Timing, mathematical timing,
Sneaky, bloody bastard.
timing. I'm an
Right,
internet
yeah,
provider.
drop it just perfectly.
Yeah.
Not yet.
I don't know.
It's like just when it starts to come out, really.
Not much.
But then we have the most amount of time. Yes.
So I can hit you with the bass.
Now, back into the forest.
Yeah.
Not pubes. For anyone that likes to think forest are pube-like.
Why would someone think that, ever?
I don't know. Childish minds, like mine.
Yeah.
If I can think it, so can someone else. Oh,
Okay,
he's got some tunes.
I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm getting squished.
Oh, I don't know where you're going.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, this is knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe. There was a magnet that's doing something. I don't know what to do with the magnet though.
I don't know, but I got gas again.
Maybe you can use it on the Jews, do something worthwhile for once.
Oh my word! Are your German friends okay with that?
Hell yeah, they're German.
As the Jews, they should have been saying that about.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Nice job.
Sorry, Anne Frank.
How do I do this? This is what? I don't like. Maybe I'm missing something. But it's like, what could I be missing?
A penis. Oh! Oh! Yeah, that wasn't very good. That's sort of like year 7 quality joke.
Oh, you know.
Well, it's got to come out sometime.
Just automatic.
I thought you were gonna pull a gay joke or something, but
Yeah,
didn't,
well, just
didn't
like
live up
you.
to my expectations, Jamie.
I know, right?
Oh,
Sad. How do I...
what is that? Something on the roof.
Just noticed Catwoman ass.
It says FI on it.
Simplify. See, I don't even know what the magnet does though. Maybe I'm missing something.
Like, I think. Can you push that big ass thing?
I don't think so.
Because you've got to jump
How
on
can I
there
push
somehow.
it?
Like,
Can I climb up here? Ow. I'm missing something and I don't know what it is.
because you've got to get on there, and then what I think, this has got to drop down, and then you get on top of that. Because look, there's a ledge over on the right.
Yeah, but what does the magnet do?
Oh, I thought the magnet drops these things. See this massive block on the left on the
Magnet
roof.
keeps them up.
Yeah, but then you've got to somehow drop one of them, but not the other, or push the other one to the side of it because there's a little bit of space. You see what I mean? There's a little bit of space on that one. Oh, so you can lift what? Oh, that's. Oh my word! That's so much simpler than.
I didn't even
baked
know
beans
what
on toast.
I didn't even know what the magnet did. So you know, I think that's probably where it came from. The fact that I didn't know what the magnet was gonna do.
See,
Well, I think that's like the end of a puzzle. That looks like a zip line. I'm looking forward to seeing what that's gonna do on the next episode.
see you later, and we'll catch you on the.
I fucking forgot the lyrics to the next episode by Dr. Dre.
Alright then.
Smoke weed every day.
On the